you wake up with a plan.
By noon, you've done nothing.
You tell yourself you're lazy. You're not. Your brain has been hijacked. Every notification, every scroll, every short video, they are not entertainment. They are dopamine theft. Your brain was designed for scarcity. One meal a day was a reward. Now you have infinite rewards. And it broke the system. The brain stops producing dopamine for things that used to matter: work, relationships, goals, because nothing competes with infinite stimulation. Step 1. Recognize the theft. Every time you reach for your phone out of boredom, that is the moment. Stop. Put it down. Step 2. Create friction. Make the dopamine sources harder to reach. Delete the apps. Use a timer. Make yourself earn it. Step 3. Rewire. This takes weeks, not days. Your brain will resist. That resistance is the work.
You are not broken, but you have been robbed. Now you know who took it. What you do next, that's on you.